It has a lot of layers to it. Back here, I cooked out some onion, 1 large or 2 medium onions, and a little bit of olive oil with salt and pepper until they're just light caramel in color. Don't let them go too far, okay? That's gonna take 20, 25 minutes. At that point, I add a little water to them so they can hang out and stay nice and moist and sweet. Back here, we're also going to cook up some mushrooms. Thyme and mushrooms love each other. We always bake our bacon. Meanwhile, we're gonna talk burger. My mom taught me this trick when I was a little girl, but she always put grated onion in her burgers, and it's delicious. The onion juice is what you're looking for here. So you literally grate it right over the bowl. And for every pound of meat, she used about two tablespoons of grated onion bits and onion juice. So I'm gonna go with an aged balsamic or balsamic drizzle instead of the Worcestershire in the burger itself to flavor the meat. 2 fat cloves of garlic, a little grated onion, lots of chopped rosemary. Take a quick break, come on back, and we'll make this special sauce for our special burgers right after this. Okay, once you flip your patties, these are the balsamic, rosemary, garlic, and onion patties. You're gonna top them with your choice of cheeses. I like provolone on this burger or Italian fontina. Our mushrooms are browned. I added the garlic once they were brown. Now I'm going to add the salt and pepper. You see how nice and dark they got, that pretty color? That won't happen if you salt them too quickly. So salt and pepper go in now, and then we hit the pan with a little sherry or wine. Woo! And then douse it with lemon juice, squeezing cut side up so that the seeds do not fall into the pan. And let the sherry evaporate back into the mushrooms, and you're done. For the sauce, we're gonna do a classic for steak, so why wouldn't it be good on a burger? Horseradish sauce. So little sour cream or creme fraiche in the bottom of your bowl, couple big spoonfuls of prepared horseradish, and some chives, chopped chives, and that's their special sauce for our burger. So the horseradish sauce goes down first. Then your crispy bacon. Make sure that every bite of the burger is the same. Break the bacon up into pieces so that with every bite of burger, you're also getting a bite of bacon. A nice slab of some beef steak tomato on there. So on top of the tomatoes, we're gonna put our fontina burger. On top of the balsamic burger, we're going to put our sherry mushrooms. And then we have our sweet onions back here. Guys are cracking me up. And there you go, a burger to love.